Hey, welcome back guys to another episode of Holy Shit. This episode is all about the stupidest Indian commercials that we have seen on national television. There's no possible way of you finding out what this ad is all about when the ad starts. Let's take this ad for example. Is this a jewelry ad? No. Manish Malhotra ki new collection? Acha, tourism ad. You know, you can see the monuments in the back. Cement? That's an ad for cement. That's another one. Okay, well, let's see. That will be more relevant, I guess. A girl is coming out of the water wearing bikini.
विश्वास है इसमें कुछ खास है जिनकी सुपर सीमेंट
किसकी बात हो रही है यार? सीमेंट की बात हो रही है कि बिकनी की? I mean, खास तो सीमेंट का तो मुझे पता नहीं. What do you think? There was a better ad in Chris 3 for cement. Let's just take a look at this scene. So Chris, the superhero who picks up the plane with his bare hands, he lands on the cement wall and the cement doesn't break. That's a majbuti cement ad. So probably the male construction workers would be going, you know, भाई वो red bikini वाली लड़की वाला सीमेंट देना जिसमें कुछ खास है. So now coming up to our next ad, bike. इतनी जल्दी guess मत करो. This is not for bike, but rape. Have you ever seen an ad for rape in? Oh, it's India. When the CBI director of India can say enjoy rape, but this ad is not about rape. Let's move forward. So now this girl who is being chased by men, she decides now, why should I stay in the marketplace filled with people who can protect her? No, let's run out of the market into this building and let's climb to the top of the building so that nobody can hear her. Maybe she's trying to get close to God. भगवान is in heaven ना, so third floor पे ना भगवान से distance कम हो जाएगा, so she can be no God save me. लो अच्छा तुम यहाँ हो क्या?
अरे तेरे को कुछ भी करने नहीं आए, वो तेरे हाथ में जो मोबाइल है वो कहाँ से लाए बोल के पूछने के वास्ते आए.
ये फोन तो खुबा मोबाइल से.
They were not chasing after her to know which company this mobile is, but where did she get this mobile from? I mean, you can't get it from eBay.com, Flipkart, Snapdeal, billion-dollar industry in India. There must be one special shop in the whole city where you can buy mobile phones. And this ad shows us that probably 90% of the questions can be answered by one word. Tapata.
गुड मॉर्निंग जीतू लाल.
गुड मॉर्निंग नहीं टपाटा
टपाटप.
Don't you just love the background music here? पुलिस ने रोक लिया, अब तो पकड़ा गया बेटा है.
लाइसेंस लाइसेंस नहीं टपाटप टपाटप.
You know how they have issued in public interest? This ad should have that issued in corruption interest. If your girlfriend ever asks you, late क्यों हो तुम? You know, you can always say. And if your mummy asks, ये cigarette क्यों पी तुमने? Mummy, because. Now, in this ad, we see how Katrina is jumping around the jungle with a mango in her hand. She is playing around with the mango, you know. It feels like she is in a more deep, meaningful relationship with this mango than she was with Salman Khan. Sorry. This ad says it is Aam Sutra, but the way she is behaving with that mango, doesn't it look more like a calm?
भाई फैमिली शो है थोड़ा.
मेरा मतलब काम अच्छा किया लड़की ने. Good work in the way. ये ad इतनी बेकार है कि देखो even आम भी पक गया. I don't even know why they bothered making this ad. I mean, अरे नहीं कार की ad नहीं है कि you can use a car as a minivan. You know, these guys come and then they align themselves. You know, it looks like it's a male pickup joint. And then comes a bike, but ये bike की ad भी नहीं है. And then comes this girl, and then she starts touching all these men who are standing there, you know, choosing. ये ads नहीं है. She browses through her choices of men. And she grabs this dude who came on the motorbike by his shirt because she likes the place where this guy got his jeans from. You know, her criteria for picking up men is as good as the spelling of cotton in this ad. This is one hallucinogenic ad of India. Because as he consumes this Mehak Pan Masala, girl suddenly appears. When he is out of Pan Masala, she disappears. So he has to have more Pan Masala so that she would come back again. So now she picks up the phone and she is ordering some stuff.
हेलो मैडम. हेलो मैडम.
Condom. Viagra.
हेलो मैडम. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग?
Heinz.
Ketchup. The sauce खाने की तरह क्यों किया? हैं बिना खा के हाई नहीं हो जाता. बोल के दिखा. बेटा हाइंस बोल के दिखा.
हाइंस.
दोबारा बोल के दिखा हाइंस.
हाइंस.
हेलो बोल.
हेलो. हाय आंटी.
तेरे को कोई ह बोलने में कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही?
नहीं.
शाबाश बेटे. And the racist ad. Saif Ali Khan doesn't want to be be with Priyanka Chopra because she is dark skinned and she is forced to use that she can become light skinned so that Saif Ali Khan can fall in love with her.
Neopan's White Beauty, now with lycopene, gives your skin a radiant pinkish white glow.
Why not take a look at this ad? How she is unqualified for a job, but the moment she uses Fair and Lovely, her CV just, jumps up. Now, is the selection committee like, okay, what are your name? Neha. Do you use any cosmetic products? Fair and Lovely, very good. Garnier, excellent. Pond's Beauty, okay. I think you are qualified. तीनों use करती है product. Okay. Champa University for MBA. चलो कोई बात नहीं. You use all the cosmetic products. ये तो चलता है. आप कहाँ से हैं मैडम? IIM अहमदाबाद. और फेयरनेस क्रीम कौन सी लगाती हैं? कोई भी नहीं. वैसे घुसने किसने दिया? बाहर निकालो. और पता नहीं है. Job criteria is all about which kind of fairness creams you use and how गोरा you are. निकालो बाहर इसको. निकालो. Fair and Lovely लगा के आओ फिर बात करना. अगले साल. Go get out.
Hey guys, if you want cool t-shirts or laptop skins, please check out hangoutstore.in. These guys have the only India's online gaming t-shirt store. So make sure you go to hangoutstore.in.
खड़ा है